Today we're getting into one of the most anticipated beauty launches of 2025, Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Liquid Contours. Let's get into it. Welcome back. It's your girl Steph J, and over here we do all things beauty, lifestyle, and self-care. Special thank you to Rare Beauty for sending me over 3 of their darkest shades, and here they are. Can we talk about the depth of these liquid contours? You know, if you're a girl with melanin in your skin, if you're dark skinned, you're brown, how hard it is to find a contour that actually shows up, which is one of the main reasons why I haven't been using contours, because nothing really works, or it looks muddy, or it's hard to blend, and it's just like, it's too much. So I'm very excited to actually use this liquid contour as a girl who doesn't know what she's doing. So we're really going to get a first impression to see if this is friendly for beginners or not. And on the other side, they sent me over just an info packet about the Soft Pinch Liquid Contour. This is the entire range right here. They also sent me over their blushes and some of their highlighters. So we might play with that today. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to use the brush that came with this just so we can make sure that it's very cohesive. The Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Liquid Contours come in 7 shades, and they sent me over 3 of their darkest. I think the packaging is beautiful. Here are the shades up close: Peaceful, Tranquil, and Sublime. Let's get into some swatches of all 3 shades. This is Tranquil. I'm going to swatch this for you guys, but I think this shade is really close to my actual skin tone. I might be able to get away with this using it as a concealer, or when I don't really want to wear makeup and have those no makeup days. This is Peaceful. While this is a very deep shade, it does have a little bit of warmth to it, and I think I'm leaning toward using this one on my skin. Lime, which is the darkest shade of the liquid contours, while it does have a cooler undertone, I might be able to get away with using this one as well. The 3 shades really up close next to my skin. This is Tranquil, and while it's a beautiful shade, I don't think that it's going to work as well on me just because it's so close to my skin tone. If you are lighter than me, this will definitely work for you. I think I'm honestly going to go in with Peaceful. It's more of a neutral brown, warm kind of. Sublime is really close to Peaceful, but it is a lot cooler. I don't know, it's very slight. If you look in person, you're really able to see it. I don't know how it's coming off on camera, but I think I'm going to try this shade. Maybe I'll use this on the other side. Honestly speaking, with a shade range such as this one, I truly believe that everyone's going to find a shade that is going to work for them, but I wouldn't expect anything. When it comes to these liquid contours, I truly believe that everyone is going to find a shade that works for them, but I wouldn't expect anything less from Miss Selena. She really does push inclusivity when it comes to her makeup, and these liquid contours are not anything different. So I brought y'all in a little bit closer so you can get an up close view of what these look like on me. We're gonna go in with Peaceful. Like I said, I'm scared of contour, but it still has that beautiful doe foot apple care that the girls are going crazy about when it comes to the blushes, and I wouldn't expect anything less when it came to the contours. And if you know anything about Miss Selena, just know that these things are pigmented, so less is more. I'm speaking to myself in the future. Less is more. So let's just add like 1 little dot. Okay, maybe 2. Let's not be scared. 2 little dots right there, and then 1, 2. That's it. We're gonna do that. Let's try that with Peaceful on this side. This is the brush that Rare Beauty sent over in the PR package, and it's a beautiful angled brush, very soft, and when it comes to contours, you're supposed to apply it in an upward fashion. So let's see what this does. Okay, maybe I should be using it the other way. Upward, upward. Oof, that's pigmented. Oh my gosh. I guess we're gonna go more upward. I thought it was only gonna be this area of my face, but keep on blending. Okay, I'm in shock. I know I shouldn't be in shock about how pigmented this is, but every time I'm more and more shocked. So I use 2 dots. Next time I'm going to use 1. It does blend out beautifully. Let it be known that obviously I only have foundation on right now. I still need to highlight. I still need to clean this up. So I think once I actually finish my makeup, it'll work well. So let me just put 1 dot over there. Just one, because we learned over here what 2 dots can do. So let's try it again with 1 dot over there. And as you can see, just with the 1 dot, just look how the product is dispersing. It is very highly pigmented. Trying to keep it more controlled on this side. And then we're gonna go up, up, up into the hairline. And then I'm gonna take some down into the jaw. And this is what the contour is looking like when it's blended out. Only 1 dot versus 2 dots over here. It's definitely giving my face some dimension. And remember that contours are for shadows and bronzers are for warmth. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my concealer, finish up my makeup, and then I'll give you my final thoughts. Okay, we are back with the finished look. This is what the Rare Beauty Liquid Contour is looking like on my skin with finished natural looking makeup. I can definitely see that my skin just looks more, you know, chiseled, have a lot more definition. Again, I'm a girly that does not use a lot of contour. So when I say this is a first impressions, it's a first impressions. I know that for a second we had a little bit of a jump scare, but again, Rare Beauty is going to Rare Beauty and have super amounts of pigment. I do feel like this is beginner friendly though. I know that they say use the 2 dot method, but if you're like me and you don't know what you're doing, use 1 dot and just work up from there. I do like how the finished result of my makeup is looking. It makes my features look defined. I even use like a little bit on my nose. Yeah, I think she's beautiful. I think she's cute. I think that this is a beautiful contour to use if you are beginner friendly. I do believe that liquid contours are a lot more forgiving than powder contours. And with this one, it is initially very pigmented, but it will blend out. But if you're having issues blending out your contour, go ahead and grab some concealer or your foundation brush and just clean up the underside. That's what I did. I know a couple seconds ago it was a little bit of a jump scare, but we're back, we're cute, and the makeup is looking tea. Let's go ahead and wrap this up. You've officially made it to the end of the video. Please let me know down below if you think you're gonna pick up one of these Rare Beauty liquid contours, or are you going to skip this launch? Again, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.